Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2 Air and Water, and today's topic is about water. At the end of today's class, you will be able to describe the need of water. Secondly, you will be able to list the uses of water in our home and industry. You will be able to describe the purification process of water by water treatment plant, and at last identify the presence of water in a given substance by chemical test. Introduction. As we all know that 75% of the earth is made up of water, and 75% of our body is also consist of water. So it is very essential for all living organism. We need water at homes, on farms, in industries, in power stations, etc. Let us discuss about the uses of water at home and in industries. Can you guess the uses of water at home? Yes, we can use water at home for various purposes like drinking, cooking, washing clothes, vessels, flushing the waste away, and many more. At the same time, almost all the industries use water for many purposes. Some industries use it as a solvent. Solvent means which dissolves the solute. Some industries use it for washing things, while others use it as coolant. Coolant is used to reduce the temperature of the reaction tank. Much of the water which we get from the water bodies are not suitable for drinking. It may be contaminated. Contaminated means it may consist of many impurities and may cause diseases like diarrhea, typhoid. So, to make this water drinkable, it must be treated. Water treatment plant is used to purify water by removing solid particles and killing harmful microbes. Microbes means germs. Thus, the treatment process consists of 8 steps, namely, first, water is pumped in, second, a coagulant is added, third, air is blown in flotation tanks, fourth, sand filter, fifth, filtration, sixth, chlorination, seventh, addition of fluoride, and eighth, water is pumped to storage reservoir. Let us see these 8 steps in detail by looking at the diagram. In the first step, the water is pumped in. A screen is shown which traps any big particles such as twigs. Twigs means solid particles like leaves, branches, and all. Then the water is sent to the second step where a coagulant is added, which means a chemical to make small suspended particles stick together. It could be iron sulfate or any other small particles. Then at the third stage, air is blown through the water in flotation tank to make the coagulate particles float on the top. They are skimmed off. Skimmed off means they are removed away, and then it is sent to the fourth stage where the water is passed through a bed of fine sand to filter it. Then it is sent to the fifth step. It may go through further filters, for example, more sand or charcoal to remove bad taste and smell of the water. And in sixth stage, the microbes are killed by adding chlorine. So, chlorine is added to kill the bacteria and other microbes. Then, in the seventh stage, a fluoride compound is added in some plants to help fight tooth decay, to protect our tooth. And at last, in the eighth step, the water is pumped to the storage reservoir, which is ready for pumping to homes. Now, let's do a simple experiment. Take anhydrous copper sulfate powder in a watch glass. Anhydrous means no water is present. It will be in white in color. Now add few drops of water onto it. Observe the color change. It will become blue, indicating the presence of water. Now heat this blue crystal and see the color change. We get back anhydrous copper sulfate. Students, hope you all understood today's class. The homework has been uploaded in Moodle. Kindly please complete the homework. Stay healthy and be safe. Thank you. All the best.